Hi friends! Do you want to change the color of Worksheet tab in Excel 2013 and make your workbook easier to navigate? Here's how you can do so. On the Start screen, click on the Excel 2013 tile to open it. Click to open any workbook. Right-click the desired worksheet and hover the mouse over Tab Color. The color menu will appear. Select the desired color. A live preview of the new worksheet color will appear as you hover the mouse over different options. In our example, we'll choose orange. The worksheet color will be changed. The worksheet color is considerably less noticeable when the worksheet is selected. Select another worksheet to see how the color will appear when the worksheet is not selected. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.